I'm gonna clean my yard, and I wanna use the hand extenders. I have here a garbage bag hooked to my pants. You can see my channel was the best life hacks to see how this is done. Now, where is a hand extender? There's one there. I'll get the one at the bottom over there. You see I have them everywhere, and just get them, pick and insert. That's how it's done. Pick and insert. Easy peasy. Pleasant day today. It's cool. Get them as large as you want or as small. It's not gonna go down easy. Use some hand power. Okay. So Starbucks cup, Kleenex. Might as well make a commercial for everything that's packaged, comes in a package while at this. Hardly any of my garbage. This thing just drifts here. Some over here. Easy peasy. Some cotton from the cushion on my treehouse. Something behind the bush. No need to go around it. Here, a scratch ticket. My father's favorite hobby. Transfer paper. If you're ever in Canada, you need to switch buses. That's what you would take on your first bus, and then you would show to the next bus you switch to. There we go. Here, lots of Kleenex. What's this little egg? Something from Easter, no doubt. It's not going down easily. Big egg to have on your belt. This bag might be tricky. Okay, let's get this. Yeah, there we go. Wow, there's a good collection of garbage there, and thank goodness we have this to grab them all in one grip. Here. Oh yeah, this is kind of fun. Much funner than bending down and picking everything piece by piece. There's only some hack to keep this bag open. Okay, why not get this? Clean it all the way. Oh, what's this bag? McDonald's. And I should get some advertising dollars for this. Some plastic tape. Another cotton balls. Oh look, those are the pigeons eating from my bird feed row, which I show on my What's the Best Life Hack channel. There's some more. It's police strip. Warning strip. Oh, what's this? What? Where did that come from? Oh man. Just get the easy peasy. Some more. Two birds and one stone. The pigeons won't go away now since we're giving them food, but it's good to be nice to animals, I suppose. Some more. It's cardboard tube. Bag is getting a little heavy. Some cardboard, corrugated cardboard, and I'm glad I have company here with this cleaning. Kind of a boring activity, but not so much with this little tool here. It's kind of fun. No stressing involved. The heck? What are these? Oh man. There. Got some construction going on across the street. Someone is building a second floor on their house. It's a little tricky sometimes getting the garbage in the bag. Anything stuck, we can just grab out. Some out of town visitor. another one of those branches. Let's get that, lean down and grab it, snatch it, snatch, snatch. Let's get the rest by the old-fashioned way without this tool. Bend down with a normal hand. The good old way, natural way. Primitive caveman way. Grab a few chunks at a time, save some time. Guess I missed some. Oh man, this is a lot of strain on your abdomen, also called exercise. It's very tiny pieces, little caps for tubes. Those you will likely be able to grab with the hand arm extender. Oh man, I'm gonna be walking bent 90 degrees after this. Okay, this is a bird feeding area, as you can tell. That's why I made the bird food throw, bird seed throw. A lot of junk from last summer. And you go, maybe this can be useful. All right, that is what animals do to cushions. They like to tear it up and spread it around all the inside. Okay, pretty much good. All cleaned. Might have been an incident here. A crime scene with a bird. Just lots of feathers. Oh, that's natural for you. And there you go. Yeah, the arm extender was much funner cleaning with. So that's the conclusion. And I highly recommend it over using manual, your bare hands. Okay, thanks for watching.